China Petroleum and Chemical Corporation, or Sinopec, is an energy and a chemical company that incorporates oil and gas exploration and development, oil refining, production, and sales of petrochemicals. It is a super-large producer and provider of oil and petrochemicals in China. In 2008, it ranked 16th in the Fortune Global 500 and number 1 among the top 500 enterprises in China. Sinopec is China's second largest producer of crude oil and natural gas. In 2008, it produced 42 million tons of crude oil and 8.3 billion cubic meters of natural gas. Its oil refining capacity reaches 168 million tons per year, and ethylene capacity achieves 6.3 million tons per year, ranking 3rd and 5th respectively in the world. With 30,000 petrol stations throughout China, Sinopec also owns the world's 3rd largest sales network of oil products. China Petrochemical International Company Limited, established in 1983, is a wholly owned subsidiary of Sinopec. It has 3 main functions: procurement management, centralized purchasing, and international business. Sinopec International was awarded as number 1 among top 500 international trading companies in China by the Ministry of Commerce from 1999 to 2005. Sinopec International centralizes $19 billion of material demand inside Sinopec Group annually. It is China's largest purchaser for equipment and materials in oil fields and petrochemical projects, having strong influence on the supply market and strong negotiation power. It also has an experienced procurement team with more than 500 employees specializing in various categories, such as steel products, static equipments, rotating equipments, and electrical. Sinopec International owns domestic branches and subsidiaries located in the main equipment manufacturing area of China and is responsible for the process control and contract execution. And it also owns 6 overseas subsidiaries in USA, Japan, Germany, Russia, UAE, and Hong Kong, which undertake after-sales service for exported equipment and materials. Sinopec International has established long-term strategic partnership with 23 leading domestic suppliers, such as Bao Steel, An Steel, Pancheng Steel, SJ Petroleum Machinery, Shenyang Blowers, China First Heavy Industries, China Second Heavy Industries, and Fushen Mechanicals, and so on. Besides, through performance-oriented procurement mechanism, all suppliers are classified into 3 categories, namely strategic suppliers, principal suppliers, and entry-level suppliers. Furthermore, Sinopec and its strategic partners have jointly developed a series of core products, including hydrocracking reactors, large-scale compressors, alloy pipes, and so on. All these equipment have been successfully operated in Sinopec. This reduces costs tremendously and promotes the competitive advantages of both sides. Sinopec International has a sound quality control system and a quality management network. It holds 11 domestic quality supervision stations, which conduct strict quality control of raw materials and supervision on manufacturing process of equipment. Sinopec International has China's largest e-procurement platform. More than 90% of Sinopec's procurement volume is done on this platform. The turnover reached 24 billion in 2008. With a strong influence of market by Sinopec International and the rapid development of China equipment manufacturing industry, the export of petrochemical equipment has increased remarkably. The equipment and materials used in oil fields, oil refining, and chemical industries has become key export products. The 6 overseas sub-companies of Sinopec International are responsible for on-site service of exported equipments and materials. In case any technical support and after-sales service are required, our regional account managers and product managers will always be available and will arrive at the customer site in shortest time. At present, our equipment and materials have been exported to the USA, Canada, Russia, Poland, India, Brazil, Thailand, and the Middle East. We also have established cooperation with leading oil companies such as BP, Shell, and ExxonMobil, and global engineering companies such as Technip, Aker Cavana, Saipan, CBI, and so on. Sinopec International has been endeavoring to offer customers integrated procurement solution with most competitive products and best service, and assist them to achieve their success with all our efforts. Sinopec International, your solutions to China sourcing.